Hey, hello friends, heartily welcome to this channel and this special video. As you know, today we are going to this very special temple in India, which is very famous and most popular temple called Tirupati Tirumala. Look at the beautiful scenery in the Tirupati. We already reached Tirumala and going back to Tirupati to Alaperi step, because this time we are going by walk and this is my first time to go walk. So I kept my all luggage and going back to the Tirupati Alaperi steps. So friends, this is the main entrance from where the steps start. It's also called Alaperi. Alaperi is the starting point from the devotees who will start their journey by walk to the 3350 steps, and we have to cross the 7 hills for where the main temple resides, which also called the Tirupati Balaji Lord Venkatesha. So we are also going to start our journey and we are going to the moving to the place from where the step will start. I am wearing little funny specs. Is my daughter's specs because this is a very hot summer time and I don't have any other option. I don't have any specs, so I am wearing this. I know it's looking funny, but just for fun. And he's my brother. He is also coming with me. He is already came last time, so this is his second time and I am going first time by walk. We can see this is the actual point from where the first step of this Tirupati Tirumala step starting, from where people come from underground and they worship and they pray and they start their journey. However, I was missed and I am not able to found that entrance, so I am just starting little further. This is also a starting only, but I guess 10 to 15 or a little more steps ahead. So this is the starting point where devotee do namaskar to God. Namaskar in the sense greetings, like we call this sastang namaskar. We do sastang namaskar to God, and different people ask different things. I ask for the strength to complete these steps because this is my first time and I'm little worried and afraid to complete this. So our journey will start from the first temple. This is the first temple where we have to start our journey. We'll go from the inside from this temple, do the greetings and pray and start our journey. As we come out from the temple and we see the beautiful entrance there, this entrance called Gokuram. In Hindi we can say Pravesh Dwar and in English we can say entrance. So we will have few entrance in this steps journey to reach to the temple. So we have to cross few entrance like this, but you can see the first entrance is so beautifully made and it's looking gorgeous. As we cross the entrance, we suddenly surprise and see a greenery, and it's like little forest, hill forest we can say, where we feel so pleasant and we'll get little positivity that yeah, we can complete this step. And here is one of the temple which having Sri Venkateshwara Swami's avatar, which is Matsya Avtaram. So we have a few avtaram which we'll see in the journey. And here is the Kurma Avtaram statue of Sri Lord Venkateshwara Swami. If we notice, the steps are like 90-degree, and it's very hard. Due to that, we are getting so much of pain, and we are little tired soon. And here we found this second entrance, is what we call Pravesh Dar or Gokuram. So this is also looking so beautiful. And this Gokuram name is Mysore Gokuram, means Mysore entrance. And with that note, we just completed 250 steps. So finally, it's very happy that we reached to 250 steps. It's a happiness that we completed 250 steps. However, in Hindi we call Delhi abhi dur hai. It means the journey is not completed yet, and we have more 9 kilometers to be complete.
एक नंबर कि भाई का पैर दर्द देते हो, ये सीन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कि बाबा आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते बहुत फास्ट गए और यहाँ पे विकेट की थोड़ी संभावना, थोड़े थके आ रहे थे, महसूस नजर आ रहे हैं। अभी 9 किलोमीटर चलना है, फायदा करना पड़ेगा कैसा कैसा ऐसा करना पड़ेगा। चलो स्टार्टिंग में भाई की विकेट।
So I just making fun of my brother, because we have completed almost 300 steps, and in 300 steps we got like tired like anything. We are not able to walk, and that's why we are taking little breaks. So it's not so easy, that because the steps are it's kind of 90-degree steps. For each step we have to struggle a lot.
नहीं हार मान गए बोले और भाई
so we almost reached 680 steps, and further we have 830 kilometers left again. Here is one of the avatar called Vara Avtaram. It's also one of the avatar of Sri Vishnu. Look at the steps. It's really hard to walk, and it's midsummer. In summer, India will be too hot, and we are not wearing chappal or shoes, so it's kind of very tough to walk. And really, it's fun part actually. So finally, we have taken a small break, and we are having a breakfast, because it's almost 9 o'clock I guess. So we are feeling hungry, and this chutney, it's very tasty, and my brother is licking like anything. So this is kind of fun. The problem with this kind of steps are we cannot walk properly. We have to take a rest, because we feel tired very soon, and it's summer, and it's too hot. We feel tired, we feel rusty, and we have to take a break. We can walk 10 to 15 steps, and again we have to sit. But we don't have any option. We have to walk, we have to finish this, because we already reached 1150 steps finally, my man. So finally we reached 1050 steps, and this as I said earlier, we have to cross almost 2000 steps, which is very hard. If once we finish the 2000 steps there, then we can get little bit relief. We will have little different kind of steps which don't have this curve kind of thing, which 90 degrees. So that is the we have to struggle till 2000 steps anyhow. So here we have one more Avtaram statue here. Anyhow, I am not sure about the name because it's written in Telugu, and I'm not able to read Telugu here. Somewhere we have this kind of partitions with the iron dividers, which is very helpful because we can take support and walk. It's because it's very hard when we finish like some steps, like 1000 steps or 1500 steps. After that we don't have energy, we have to take support, and when we see further and we see the steps and we say, OMG, when it's going to complete, man.
Huh?
Way without steps, so I'm feeling very relief. And this is the tough part. We are almost complete because the first 2500 or 2000 steps are very hard and very tough, and people come here and take rest. Because after that we again they start their journey. However, we are not going to stop, and we are going to continue the journey. I would like to appreciate TTD management, Tirumala Tirupati management team also, because they have given good option. Every few miles we have a toilet available, so people can use it freely. Due to that, the place is very clean and neat. In between, we are very happy. We reached to 2104 steps. So it's like 730 kilometer left from here. Yeah, of course, it's 730 kilometers still pending. But however, I'm very happy because these are the kind of the tough part which we are almost near to finishing line. So again, you can see finally we can see 7 miles are pending, like 7 kilometers are left again for Tirumala, and we reach here and finally feel very happy that we completed like almost 2100 steps. That's very good. So here we are taking small break and we are having the energy drink of Tata Plus. It's too hot outside and we are taking it such very chilled Tata Glucose Plus energy drink. So this is our second break and we are taking this nicely. One side we are very happy that we have completed 2000 steps and only 7 kilometer is left, but when other side we see we have just crossed 2 kilometer till now, so we have 7 kilometer left again. We are just walking and taking rest and we feel tired, but there are so many devotees who pray and they do a lighting like small light or a small puja of each step and they light a candle every step. That is really a tough job because doing this we actually do the karpur in Hindi we call this karpuram. We They burn karpuram each on each step like 3350 steps they will do this, so it is really tough time for them. And in between as it's lockdown and there is construction going on, the steps are broken and they are repairing the steps. We have the path from the forest actually, so this is really good walking in the forest. The soil is too hot, we don't have shoes and like chappals, so this is really little tough part for us.
कि भाऊ कैसा है? मजा आ रहा है?
जबरदस्त।
कितनी दूर चले भाई तुम?
हम अभी तक चले 1500 नहीं 1500 2000 क्रॉस हो गए।
कंफ्यूज
So as there is a construction going on and we are walking by forest, so you can see there is a big deer. I'm not sure what you people call this animal. We call this sambar actually in our language. Just comment me what exact this animal name. But this is the first time I am watching this because we have seen many in zoo, but this is the open animal I have seen first time. So we are just this is really fun part. Let me grab this beautiful opportunity to take the selfie with this guy. I'm just taking one selfie. Let me take that. And here we have some deers available, people feeding them, enjoying them, taking selfies with them. So let's look up the deers from little closer. If you notice, the steps are very normal now, so it's easy to walk. Anyhow, it's very hard and that little bit trouble. But if this kind of steps is there, then we can complete very easily. We have to walk beside the beautiful scenery like hillside, and it looks so green and beautiful. I'm not sure you people are able to see or not, because it's high brightness outside and I cannot see my screen properly, but hope it should come and you can enjoy this scenery too. On this road we have to be little careful, because we can see there is no special way for walking, but we have to walk on the road. Same time we have vehicles coming on the road, and one side we have the hill, and this is stone one, so I'm little afraid that any stone get fell down and someone may hurt. So be careful on this road by walking, but it's looking very beautiful, because it's like something we are walking into the some kind of tunnel kind of thing, and it's very beautiful rock hill. So we can see a beautiful temple is coming in this way, and hoping this will be the last entrance gate. So let's see. And as we enter to this temple gate, and we see OMG, not again. We can see these steps, and these steps are more dangerous, and I'm not sure how to walk now, because of course it's not so much, but after walking so long, I'm not sure to walk on this, and body will support or not. If you see, many devotees are walking by their knees, and this is also one kind of prayer, and it's really tough, man. And if we notice, each and every steps also looks very colorful. It's nothing but this is also one kind of prayer people do. They by walking, they will wash each and every step, and they will do puja, and this is really that will be a really tough part again. So this is something people do, praying with God to fulfill their wish and all. If you notice, my brother is struggling to walk, because it's really very height, and we feel like fainted kind of thing, because lack of energy and all. 100%.
तीन चढ़ाई है अभी तो
गुटका गुटका नहीं खा रहा।
गुटखा नहीं खा, गुटखा खत्म हो गया, सब खत्म हो गया, चेकिंग करके पूरा ले ली उनने। खर्रा भी नहीं है, तंबाकू भी नहीं है, तंबाकू भी नहीं है, बीड़ी भी नहीं है।
So while resting, we are making fun and pulling each other's legs and enjoying the beautiful scenery here. You can see in so hot summer, it's so greenery, and after reaching till here, you will forget all your pains and all, and you feel so happy. Wow, it's so beautiful nature, and we have done very good job coming by walk. (3,180 steps now, and these are almost, we are very near to finish our goal, but the steps are not leaving us. They are checking our patience. So finally 2 kilometers left, and it was really fun, and it's really good like time we spent by walking and all, so everyone should select that. In meantime, I would like to show you this. These people are doing puja to each and every steps. We can see this kind of task people will do, and all the steps looks colorful. So here finally we have reached our goal, and we completed our journey. I will show that steps, and actually steps is 3,550. I was wrong, I was saying 330, but it is 3,550. Let me show you board. One second, the board is here. Let me go back. You can see step number 3,550. So we have done. We have to go to our room now, because just for your information, as it is COVID-19, the rules change. Before, if we come by walk, you will get the free ticket, and you can go for direct darshan to the Lord Venkateshwara. However, this rule is changed now, so there is no free ticket concept. So again, we have to go to room, and the ticket which I have booked for 300 rupees, that I have to utilize and go to the darshanam. Of course, this is little bit disappointment, because after walking so much and we are not getting darshanam. However, no problem, because we have other ticket which will be covering this darshanam. But the main part was walking and enjoying the nature, and this is the first time, so I really enjoyed, and I will come again, and I will walk again. That is my promise.
तो भाई फाइनली हमारी स्टेप्स खत्म। तो हमारा टिकट है कल का, तो कल हम जाएंगे दर्शन को। आज तो खाली हमारा पैदल वॉकिंग हुआ। हमारा विक्की भाव क्या बोलता, बोल।
मजा आ गई भाई, एक नंबर मजा आ गई, बढ़िया घूम फिर के आ गए। अभी कल जाएंगे दर्शन करने को शाम में 7 बजे।
चलो
लोग भी जाओ, घूमो आओ।
So guys, thanks for watching video, spending time, and hope you liked and enjoy walking with me. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again.